What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and I'm out here with the ET100 from LDARC. But as you can see, I have these little rings on it, or prop protectors, from the ET100. Now I wanted to do this experiment to see if these motors, which are 1104 motors, are better for something small like this, pushing these smaller props here. The ET100 flies really nice with these. So in theory, if these motors will fly this 115 better, the ET115, then it should fly the ET100 even better because it's less weight. This has a little more carbon fiber extending the arms. As you can see, there's a little space in between here. So this is indeed the ET115. Check it out. I'm using the battery that came with the ET100. This is the 450 milliamp hour 2S GMB battery, 80C to 160C burst. So let's get it in the air and check it out. Okay, so it's in the air. Let's check out a punch out from it. So the punch out is good. So these motors here are heavier than the 1103 that comes stock on the ET100, but they do have more torque. Which is allowing this to fly just as well, if not better. I think it flies a little better than the ET100 with these motors on it. Sheesh, and the sun is blinding me. I need to turn the rates up a little. Let's bring it over close, look at it. Let's do a punch out. Definitely more punch, even with the added weight. So it seems that the ET100 will be better off with 1104 motors. So that's it, a quick little experiment to see what would happen if we put ET115 motors on the ET100. Now my theory was that it'll fly better, and indeed it does fly better because of the added torque from these 1104 motors. I think they're the same KV, or the 1103 motors of the ET100 might be a slightly higher KV at 7800 KV. These are 7500 KV 1104 motors. So the ET115 with these rings on it from the ET100 worked out pretty well. Thanks for watching.